Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the sleek and stylish aboxoo nesting coffee table set of 2. Perfect for adding a touch of modern elegance to your living room or bedroom. This versatile set includes a large table measuring 23.6 inches in diameter and 17.7 inches in height, along with a smaller table at 15.7 inches in diameter and height, allowing you to nest them together or arrange them separately to suit your space. The combination of a clear glass tabletop and a sturdy metal frame creates a minimalist yet industrial look, ensuring your home exudes sophistication and charm. With its unique round tabletop and semicircular steel leg design, this table set not only enhances aesthetics but also prioritizes safety, reducing the risk of injury compared to traditional square legs. Assembly is a breeze with straightforward instructions and included accessories, so you'll have your tables ready in just a few minutes. Plus, the thoughtful after-sales service ensures peace of mind, with the option for replacement or refund if any quality issues arise. Elevate your living space with the aboxoo nesting coffee table set, where style meets functionality in the most elegant way. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.